Former Croatian President Ivo Josipovic has said that the China-proposed Global Civilization initiative is very important as it tends to connect people, different civilizations, different religions, and different societies.
In this very critical moment for humanity, many crises all around the world, wars, disasters, disease, it's very important that someone put on the table initiative that tend to connect people, to connect different civilizations, different religions, different societies, and it's very important initiative for globality. Globality, I think, very important because these important challenges of humanity can be resolved just together. Different civilizations definitely must respect each other. We have not only respect but to understand. That's very important, and it's very important to understand that this goal of humanity can be reached through different channels, different ways. Of course, it would be very difficult to convince all politicians all around the world to be on the same track, but even very long trips start with small steps. Initiative to fight together against different challenges is very important. It's essential for the success of humanity. So I expect that many leaders will join. Definitely, humanity will need time to understand the importance of such initiative. I believe that humanity can be together.